been succeeding 10 years already doing this effort of honoring this very important sector in our society. Nais po namin malaman how important is Kasambuhay Awards 2025 for Palawan Group of Companies, and why does this company feel so strong about honoring our Kasambahays?
Thank you, Karen. Everyone. Siguro I'll start with the significance of Kasambahay to the Palawan Group. It's really significant because really it allows us to celebrate people who rarely get the spotlight. Really, di ba, the Kasambahays are very important to Filipino families, to Filipino households. They give stability, they give safety, they give peace of mind. Because of them, mga magulang na nakapagtrabaho ng ayos, ang mga estudyante na nakapag-aral ng mabuti, and tumatakbo ng smooth yung ating household kahit wala magulang or nasa school ng mga bata. And secondly, siguro, Kasambahays kasi the embodied the values siguro of the Palawan Group: honesty, integrity, really hard work, and of course, yung talagang tunay na malasakit. And in fact, marami sa mga kasambahay are really showcase of the Palawan Group, using our services to take care of their families naman. So siguro this Kasambuhay really is our way to say na we see you and we thank you and we honor you.
I couldn't agree more with what you said, Sir Carlo. No? Sila po ang tinatawag natin ang some heroes of every household. Ang mga nananahimik pero may malalim na ambag sa ating mga tahanan. And of course, Palawan Group of Companies continue to honor them and their incredible sense of pride that they bring in every household. So I think this night we open the floor to our friends from the media.
Regards to in what ways does Palawan Pay empower Kasambahays, and what other Palawan services are available to further support your needs?
I think Sir Carlo can also answer this question.
Yeah, on Palawan Pay, really, I would say it empowers the Kasambahays to control or manage their finances safer, of course more convenient, and kahit saan, kahit kailan, talagang pwedeng gamitin ang Palawan Pay. To the second part of the question, saan ba pwedeng gamitin ang Palawan Pay? Ang dahil lang sa mga kasambahay, syempre, first and foremost, sending money to their loved ones, whether coming from abroad, for example, or dito lang sa Pilipinas, they can still go to the branch if they like to, but a more convenient way and easier for our kasambahays is really through Palawan Pay, pwedeng wallet to wallet, pwedeng wallet to over the counter if their family members prefer to get it in cash sa probinsya. Secondly, if they're also customers of Pony, pagbabayad ng renewal, through Palawan Pay na lang, pinakilatan nila sa branch. They can also buy their loan there. They can also buy insurance. Basically, Palawan Pay gives them, or gives everyone, a safe, a much more convenient, and of course, sabi ko nga, kahit saan, pwedeng kahit ating gabi, kailangan mo padala ng pera, pwede. So, I guess empowering our kasambahays to manage not just their finances, but their own households as well in the provinces better, and to stay connected also with their loved ones.
Thank you so much. I think that is definitely uplifting, empowering all our kasambahays to be more and to do more, not just for their families, but to the families they also serve. Is there any other question from the floor? Yes, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Lisa po from the Manila Times. My question is for Sir Bobby. Hello. weird. How does the partnership naman po with JCI Senate strengthen the KKK project or program?
Thank you. Good afternoon, Karen. Gusto ko lang ikwento how this came to be. Alam niyo, I'm a JCI Senator myself. And I was a member of National Board. And during one of our board meetings, it was suggested that we give awards to our kasambahay. Kasi maraming mga iba-ibang organizations, they give awards to teachers, yung iba policeman, yung iba mga businessman. Pero nakakaligtaan natin ang very important sector ng ating lipunan. Ito yung mga kasambahay. So kasama rito yung mga nagbibigay sa atin, nag-aaral ng mga natin, at nagdadrive, nagbibigis ng kapaligiran, ng mga atin. So, nung sinuggest ito, panahon ito, ng past President Alfie Fernandez, kasama na ng past President Vic Garcia. At agad akong nag-volunteer. Sabi ko, pwede bang mag-volunteer ang Palawan ko siya? Maging partner ng JCI Senate Philippines. Kasi nakita ko na yung leadership ng JCI sa ating bansa, magandang protocol para makatulong naman ang Palawan Project sa pagbibigay ng nauukol na recognition sa ating mga kasama. Kaya it was a really good partnership. 10 years na po tayo ngayon. Kanina tinanong ako kung this is our first year. Actually, this is our 10th year. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po sa magiging history ng partnership and a very good dynamics and shared vision and mission of JCI Senate Philippines and Palawan Group of Companies. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, sir. The panelists, good afternoon. Jessica from Manila. I just want to ask kung ano yung criteria natin dun sa pagpili ng mga winners at saka ano yung process kung paano sila nasasama dun sa program.
Okay, maybe I should answer that because I've been a judge for 4 years, I believe. So, tama no, may mga criteria, but we really made it very simple for the kasambahay. So, there are a series of questions that they have to answer. One is ano yung pinaka memorable nilang experience as a kasambahay. So we asked them how long have they been working with the family that employs them, and ano yung mga mahalagang leksyon na nakuha nila doon, number 1. Number 2 is we asked how does their employment as kasambahay help elevate naman yung sarili nilang pamilya. No? So, there are 3 questions. Minsan, every year na iba ng konti, pero the gist is really how they value their livelihood. No? And then how does this livelihood help their own family? And what is really the best lesson that they've learned out of this long service. And yung tema is medyo pareho, and it really boils down to not only service, because ma-interpret ko na rin, no? Because we have this JCI creed or our core values, and one of these is service to humanity is the best work of life. You know? So that's why we're very happy that we have a partner, the Palawan Group of Companies. And madagdag ko rin, this is the youngest, kasi 5 aming flagship projects. 3 are annual search, that's the Outstanding Filipino physician, and the advocacy projects, that's Project Watch and Green Week. And ang gusto ko lang sabihin, pinakabata, because it was only founded in 2015, the concept, the idea, but the first award happened in 2016, that's why we're saying 2025 is the 10th annual awards already. But kahit siya yung pinakabata, siya po yung walang lampaw. Every year, even during COVID, there was a Kasambahay Kasambuhay Awards Night. And that is really because of the great partnership and support of the Palawan Group of Companies. So, maraming salamat. Sen Bob and Frank.
Thank you for reminding us that through this project, we are deeply grounded in love and in purpose, right? Yan po ang vision na meron ang Palawan Group of Companies at JCI. Sa Buhay Awards 2025, Palawan Day,
Everyone, I see mo muna everyone. Dito po,
We're
dito po.
posting on your social
Ready, 1,
media.
2, 3, smile. Wait lang, one more po, dito po. Video, kailangan kita. Isa pa, isa pa. That's it. One more po, one more here please. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you.
Thank you once again, but please hold your pose as we would now like to invite the rest of the Palawan Group of Companies board members and executives to also join them on stage. So we'd like to call in the Vice Chairman and Chief Financial Officer of the Palawan Group of Companies, Ms. Lilian Castro Selda, the Chief Human Resources Officer, Ms. Farina Castro Fernando, the Chief Business Development Officer, Ms. Celine Sabado, and the Chief Operations Officer, Mr. Robert Roberto Ben and Castro. Please come and join us for the group of photos.
Ready po everyone? I see po please ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Compress lang po, compress. And one more po, dito po please. One more, look here.
All the other Palawan executives to come and
And
join us.
video.
Our Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Bernard Religan, our Palawan Team Marketing Manager, Mr. Miguel Mahabat, our Head of Integrated Marketing Communications, Mr. Jeffrey Maano, our Assistant Brand Manager, Mr. Lodge Antonio. And all the rest of our GCI Senate Board members and officers for one final photo. Once again, we'd like to call the attention of all present GCI Senate Board members and officers to please come and join us for a photo. Get ready with your biggest smiles. Our official photographer is right in the middle with the red camera. So everybody take a look at the camera. In 3, 2, 1.
One more po ha, sa likod ako ha. Wait po everyone, I see, sir, sorry po,